So, I've been seeing like YouTube videos on how to change your ringtone, and it's like 3 minutes long. It really don't even take that long. Literally just go to settings, and then go to sound, then press ringtone, then press this, and then press audio, and then it'll see like all the sounds that you've downloaded on your phone. And if you don't know how to download songs, just like go to YouTube and Google. Hold on. Go to YouTube and Google, and then type in YouTube.2.mp3, and then press that, and then go back to YouTube, and then type in a song. Let's just say this, and then go here. Jesus. And then press share, then press copy link, and then go to that, and then just hold that for a second, and then press paste, then convert, and then just wait for it to download. Don't mind that, I think my sister tripped over something here. Yeah, she does it normally, so. And then you have it downloaded. Oh, okay, she dropped something. And then press that, and then press audio. And then, see right there. So, there you go. It's that easy. And yeah, so bye.